Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix any Samsung phone not turning on. So the best way is that you force restart your Samsung phone, and for that you need to press the volume down button and the power button together and just release it when the Samsung logo appears, and after that you will be good to go. And this is how you force restart your Samsung phone. And in case if this method doesn't work, then you can go with the factory reset, but also make sure that before you go with the factory reset you back up all your data, as all your data might get lost into this process. So for factory reset you will have to press volume down button and power button together, and after that when the screen turns black just release the buttons and then press both the buttons again until the Samsung logo appears. And after that select the wipe data option, then go with the factory reset, then go with the factory data reset option. And after the process is complete, select the option of reboot system now. And if everything goes right, your Samsung will be working quite fine. And this is how you factory reset your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.